y'all, it's Terry and I'm just stopping in today to get you started on day number 1 with the FlyLady cleaning system. Congratulations for making the decision to check out the FlyLady system and maybe get some things started in your home. My home has been a hot mess when I worked and commuted and did all of the things. So a couple of things I want you to grab before we get started. You need to get some bleach, you need to get a window cleaner, a scrub brush, an old toothbrush, maybe an old hand towel, grab a putty knife or a razor blade or something that you can kind of scrub around the lines of the faucet so that we can get all of that nasty out of here today. As we go along, I want you to pause this video and do each step along with me, and at the end you're going to be amazed at how much better this one thing is going to make your entire house. Number 1, we're going to empty the sink of all those dirty dishes and just set them to the side. This is the book, The Sink Reflections, the steps on how to get started. We're going to fill it with hot water and 1 cup of bleach, and be careful that bleach doesn't get on your clothing. Once we get that sink full, we're going to let it sit for an hour. I'm putting my mats back in just so that I can bleach those as well. After an hour has passed, we're going to glove up and drain the sink and then give my mats a good scrubbing. Remember to rinse everything really well after using bleach. The next step is to scrub the sink. So we're going to use some Barkeeper's Friend, and I'm just going to work that around the sink and really spend some time to get that deep cleaned along those edges, into the grout lines, the base of the faucet. We will only have to do this step once. Then each night, all we're going to do is just touch it up. So we will not have to do this step again. So you can see that I'm really spending some time around the faucet to try and get it really clean. I'm also using a sharp knife and an old toothbrush to get in those small crevices. And then now I'm just going to rinse all of that Barkeeper's Friend off and make sure that we get it all cleaned up. Go ahead and click on this link above and go check out that other video that I uploaded. It kind of breaks down exactly what is the FlyLady and how exactly to get started. All right, our last step is to shine that sink. So I'm going to dry this thing off really quickly, and then I'm going to use some window cleaner just to give it that final touch. You can also use some olive oil if you don't have any window cleaner or you have a different type of sink, or you can even wax it with some turtle wax or other car waxes to keep that shine and make things not stick. But go ahead and take a little time and just really polish it up, and then from now on you only have to load your dishwasher or wash your dishes in the evening and then rinse the sink and then wipe it down, and look at that thing shine. This is going to bring you joy every single moment that you come into your sink through the day and it is clean. You didn't think I was done yet, did ya? One more thing, I want you to go ahead and give me a comment. I need to know, like, is this your first day and are you going to actually do this thing? But commit to 2022 to get your house in order. Let's get this thing cleaned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.